Is $250,000 enough for a Gold IRA rollover, or do you need more? Gold IRAs are an increasingly popular choice for a retirement saver seeking stability in uncertain markets. With gold's long-standing reputation as a hedge against inflation and economic volatility, many wonder if $250,000 is enough to roll into a Gold IRA. The answer depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and retirement timeline. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Is $250,000 enough for a Gold IRA rollover? Understanding Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA allows you to include physical precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum in your retirement portfolio. Unlike traditional IRAs, which rely on stocks and bonds, Gold IRAs provide tangible assets, offering both diversification and a buffer against market fluctuations. Why $250,000 could work for a Gold IRA. 1. Wealth preservation. Gold maintains its value over time and shields against inflation. A $250,000 investment can protect your purchasing power from economic uncertainties. 2. Portfolio diversification. Allocating $250,000 to gold reduces reliance on traditional assets, which are more vulnerable to market swings. 3. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred or tax-free growth, depending on the IRA type, enabling your $250,000 to grow without immediate tax burdens. 4. Stability during crises. Gold often appreciates during economic instability, making it a safe asset during volatile times. Considerations for a $250,000 Gold IRA. 1. Custodian selection. Choose a reputable custodian to ensure compliance with IRS rules and secure storage. 2. Fees. Account for setup, maintenance, and storage fees, as these can impact your returns. 3. Market timing. Investing during gold price dips could enhance long-term gains. 4. IRS guidelines. Ensure the gold meets purity standards of 99.5% or higher to qualify for a Gold IRA. With a thoughtful strategy, $250,000 is a solid amount to roll into a Gold IRA. It offers wealth preservation, stability, and potential growth for a secure retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.